Welcome to episode 3 of our How to Start a Travel Agency course. In this episode, we'll cover how to legally set up your travel business, step by step. Whether you're starting small or planning to go global, this is where your professional journey truly begins. Part 1, Business Registration Basics. The first step is registering your business. In India, there are different structures you can choose from: sole proprietorship, simple and ideal for beginners; partnership or LLP, if you're working with co-founders; private limited company, if you're planning for long-term growth or international clients. If you plan to work globally, make sure your business is recognized for cross-border transactions, so you can accept international payments through Stripe or PayPal Business. Part 2, Choosing a business name and AMP. Getting registered. Your business name is your identity. Make it strong and memorable. It should be easy to remember, unique and available across social media, and domains reflect your travel niche. Once your name is finalized, complete these key registrations in India. GST registration, mandatory beyond 20 rupees lakhs turnover. MSME Udyam registration, helps access government benefits. Local shop/establishment license, for physical office spaces. Part 3, IATA, IRCTC and AMP, Tourism Board connections. After registration, it's time to connect with official travel networks. Here are the most important ones: IATA, International Air Transport Association, ideal if you want to issue airline tickets directly or partner with global carriers. IRCTC Agent License, India, required to legally book train tickets and earn commissions. State or national tourism boards. Get listed with your state tourism department, like Kerala Tourism or Gujarat Tourism, to gain visibility. In Part 4, Building trust with certifications. In the travel industry, trust is your biggest asset. You can strengthen it with professional certifications and memberships, such as TAFE, Travel Agents Federation of India, IATA, Indian Association of Tour Operators. These not only enhance your credibility but also connect you with a powerful network of travel professionals. Display these certifications and verified client reviews proudly on your website. It helps customers choose you with confidence. Part 5, Summary. Let's recap. 1. Choose the right business structure. 2. Register your business, GST, MSME, and local licenses. 3. Connect with IATA, IRCTC, and tourism boards. 4. Earn certifications and memberships to build trust. In the next episode, we'll explore how to build your online presence, from creating a website to setting up your brand identity. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss it. This is Know Your Earth. See you in episode 4.